All right, you're recording.
Guys. You come towards there. Good center there. Give me some here. Give me some here. Bring your hands down. And do you see knuckles? Bring your fingers down. Do you see knuckles? Right there. Ready, go! Watch your hands.
Slip.
Wrap them up. Ooh, this is better than I thought.
I need a little more talk.
You ain't gonna need it with this.
Yeah, we're gonna latch together.
Get your palms together, open your thumbs. Just your palms, keep your thumbs open.
I wasn't giving it to you easy. And I'm sick.
I'm not.
I am. Well, I honestly feel like I'm gonna puke right now, but that freaking medicine's kicking my
Wait
ass.
till I get out of the way.
I think I'll puke on you. Use that medicine to whip my ass right now. Tight as you want it, Ron.
Don't worry, like it tight.
It'll be tight. It's prep.
Oh, first time he did it, dude. So I started training with him. Fuck. A little over a year ago.
Oh, I like this strap. Close just your thumbs. You want over or under? Over your thumb or under your thumb?
Over.
Over your thumb or under? Your cent. You're gonna come this way a little bit. Right there. Ready, go!
Elbow.
Elbow follow. Okay.
I felt it go and I started slipping and I was like, oh wait, hold on. I had to get back up on that.
Ready, come this way towards Eric. Right there. Ready, go!
Nice. Good
Nice
speed.
catch. Catch, winner.
Told you I ain't giving it to you easy.
Don't do that, man. It's my first match, technically.
Oh, this is my first match in over a year.
Show your music.
All right, pause.
You get your grip. Keep your elbow down. You're centered. You guys good with your grip? Ready, go!
Not happening, big dog. Not happening.
Elbow foul.
Elbow foul.
Oh, because I
You're,
slipped
what,
off the
what,
pad.
what you're doing, you're pulling too far back, trying to pull me with you.
Yeah.
When I'm doing it, I'm bringing it this way. Try to bring it with the pad. Don't go backwards.
Keep in mind the band. When you're working on with the band, that's the focus you need to be.
Here's a question: Are you good? Are you good with that? Because you're on your tiptoes on your back foot.
It is what it is.
I can get a plate for both of you.
Well, you got boots. You good? You got soles on them feet.
Well, I wore 'em.
There you go.
See what happens with it.
That was a 19 kilo, man.
Now, yeah.
That was a tanker.
Okay.
So I did 4 years. I went Stewart for, I went to Benning to Fort Stewart to Korea.
Everything was great first.
And then from Fort Korea came back to Germany for 2 months.
Nice.
Went to O'Reilly
That's the part that I'm mainly trying to.
and shock, bro. I went to O'Reilly and I
You're sitting right there. And over here. Ready, go! Match.
You didn't touch, huh?
Parallel.
What does that mean?
When your wrist breaks the surface.
once you're like this. So
Gotcha.
you don't have to touch
So you're in heat. Can we show you?
Yeah.
Real quick.
like that.
Get your head into this. You got this. You actually surprised
Got
me.
it.
You actually surprised
Okay.
me, nephew.
You're putting me. I've done a lot of training.
my training partner.
I'd be pissed off right now with the way he's talking to me and he's getting ready to pull me.
So how dare
You
you?
start talking shit, make me feel really mad.
I thought you were gonna bitch out, so I was like, tell him.
I was
my
gonna bitch
talents.
out. Hey, you know what? You wanna know what I told
Go this
him?
way.
He was like, Camryn said that he's gonna whoop your ass. I said,
Go
fuck
this
that.
way.
I'm beating his ass
Stay
today.
right there.
Yeah.
Like, watch this shit.
Give me some here.
Yeah.
Ready? Go! Nah. Good job, brother.
Good job.
You guys
Ready.
get your grips. You gotta come
Don't start
towards-
trying to pull me
You gotta
yet.
come towards Eric. A little bit more. Oh, too far. A little bit back. Right there. Give me some here. Ready, go!
Oh, I fell.
Yep.
Came off the pad. I felt it right away.
Well, wait till one of us call it, though.
Sorry.
I mean, I can't see
They
from over
don't
here.
see it, dude.
Yeah.
Don't call it
Yeah,
yourself.
Don't call it yourself, especially in a real tournament.
Yeah.
Okay.
If a ref doesn't see it,
Keep going.
you just fucked yourself out of a
Dude,
possible
if
win.
you go like this and you go slip it back on and they don't see that shit, why are you gonna be like, fuck, I fouled?
Well,
Just
here
lost your
I'm
match.
playing honorably.
Well, no,
Fuck that.
you're in a
You-
fucking
Play me like
Alright.
you're in a tournament, dude.
We love the integrity, but
You know what's funny? This is the first time he's ever said, wow, you're surprising me.
You are.
Hey, take it, man.
You guys don't move, you're centered. Perfect. Good. Ready, go. No foul.
Oh, I came off?
Yep.
Damn it.
1-1.
Am I stronger on my left, you think?
No, you're right's way stronger, dude. You just got me on the
Stop
break.
opening up.
Okay.
You got me on the break. When he said go, you got me. Not gonna lie.
think speed. Right. Think speed.
I'm not left-handed, so my snap on my left ain't that good.
Listen, beating up.
Call her Susie.
There you go, to the little right here. Don't move, you're centered. Give me some here. Give me some. Good. Ready, go.
Get one.
Switch sides.
That's what I'm saying about speed, dude. You're pushing the speed out of it.
What you just did, no, leave it. What you just did in that match is what you should have did in every match you did right here. Stand tall. You gotta come towards Eric. You come towards Eric. A little bit more. Right there. Give me some here. Ready, go.
That was
Ooh,
fast.
good. It's fast.
1-1. Switch sides.
I ain't weak, man.
I never said you were.
I know. I'm strong as
I
shit,
said-
so if I get you on the snap,
I said he was.
You did.
if I get you on the snap, you might have a problem. So you might want to be faster.
Focus. Okay, so what he's doing to you, actually I'll tell you afterwards.
Okay.
Unless you learned it before.
Uncle Ray knows it.
Bring your knuckles down. Bring your knuckles down. Right there. You're centered. Ready, go. Match. 2-1. Switch sides. Eric wins this. He wins. If you win, you're in for another match.
Just like
Okay, take a minute. You're going to just take a minute, regroup. You have 1 minute in between matches.
Okay.
Okay? Take that full minute. Figure out what he's doing different. So he changed up his whole fucking setup.
Right.
And I'll explain what he's doing out of your match.
Okay.
I
Okay.
practice way too
But
much with my uncle, man.
he completely changed the setup. You just haven't figured out what he's doing.
Right.
Okay? So regroup. Think about what you did on the first match and get back.
Hey, in through your nose, out through your mouth. You're breathing too hard. Okay?
Just relax. Get some chocolate in your hand. You're surprising me. I didn't think you were gonna. I'm not gonna lie. I honestly thought my boy here was gonna fucking whoop you.
I won once.
yeah, he wasn't
You're,
sweet.
you know, I wouldn't give a fuck if you lost every match. You're doing, honestly, you're doing way better than I thought you were going to do technique-wise.
Not gonna lie, I didn't think he knew the technique like that yet.
Everything that we've been working on that I get frustrated up with you on during practice,
Yeah.
you're like, it's not there. You haven't gone to break arm once.
Good.
You said, have I been getting frustrated with you?
Stop.
Wait, you think that's bad? Okay, when I first started training with him, bro, I knew nothing about this shit, just like you, right?
Yeah.
2, 1. You gotta go towards there. You gotta go towards there. You gotta bring back your elbow a little bit with him.
Small tip.
A little bit more. You gotta come back. Right there.
I give you the tip one more time.
Give me a little bit here. Ready, go.
Oh, god damn.
All right, everything.
He didn't see that one coming.